Hi students. Now today's our topic is in factorization we have division. Okay, with the help of these factorizations we can do the divisions in simplest way. So in that one actually division of expressions. Actually these types are actually we have three. Now in that methods, so before going to that methods, just we can understand division is actually the opposite process of a multiplication. How? Let us see one example. Here I am multiplying 3x and 5x square. Then what is the result? 3 into 5, 15, x into x square, x cube. Now, can you write this sentence in a division form? Yes. If 5x cube is divided by 3x, then what do we get? Simply we get 5x square only. That's how here we can divide 3 and 5 numerals, and then this x cube can be written as in expansion form x into x into x and divided by x. Then we can divide these two or we can cancel these two. We get simply 5x square. Okay children. And next here again, if we divide 5x cube by 5x square, what do we get? Simply you can say 3x. That's how. See here. So first you can cancel out these 3 5's, and then this x cube can be written as x into x into x, and the denominator is x into x. Now cancel xx, this xx, then we get simply what? 5x. So that's why here we can say division is the inverse operation of multiplication. What we can say? Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Okay, Chandra. I hope you can understand this one. Now, similarly, let us consider one more example. Here we have 6a into a plus 5. Okay. Now multiply this. How can we get? 6a into a, 6a square plus 6a into 5. Simply we get 30a. Now this 6a square plus 30a can be divided by 6a. Okay children, then here we can write 6a square by 3a by 6a. Now separate this 6a, see the process children, plus, so here, so here we get 30a by 6a. Now here 6 gets cancelled. Here 6 1s are 6 5s are a gets cancelled. Of course it is a square by nothing, but you know already it is a. So remaining terms are a plus 5. So this is how we can multiply. We can divide the expressions. That means it's the reverse process of multiplication or inverse operation of multiplication. Okay. So here, can you write the other division equation? Yes, we can write easily the other division equation. How? 6a square plus 30a divided by a plus 5. So for this, again, you just write it as in the form of fraction form, and then we get 6a square plus 30a. From both of these, just factorize like 6 into a into a plus 30 can be factorized as 6 into 5 into a divided by a plus 5. Okay, that is, we got here 6 and a. It is common factor terms method. So here by that method we can write 6a into a plus 5 divided by a plus 5. So a plus 5 gets cancelled. So answer is 6a. Okay. So as this process as simpler, we will do these divisions in method wise. Here also we have the methods. In this first method is division of a monomial by another monomial. What is it? Division of a monomial by another monomial. Okay, children. So how can we take? Let us consider one sum here. Okay, children. 24x cube divided by 3x. So an expression which has only one term, that type of expression is known as monomial. So here on numerator and denominator we have the only one terms. That's why these are so called monomials. Now let us see this cancellation or division. So just simply divide 24 and 3, and before that just we have to factorize. So here So here 24 can be factorized later on. Then here x can be written as x into x by 3 into x. Here x gets cancelled. Now here 24 can be written as 3 8s, or that is x into x remaining terms. Here 3 remaining denominator. So just divide it, 3 3s are. So we get simply 8 into x square. This is the way to do division of monomial by a monomial. So in the same way, we have here one more sum. 70 x power 4 divided by 14x square. Okay, children. So to do this, just simply you can write it as in the form of fraction 70x power 4 by 14x square. So on clear understanding, just again take the prime factorization of 70 to factorize this one. So we can get simply 7 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s are. So that is, you can write it as 7 into 2 into 5 into this x power 4 as usually x into x into x. Simply in 4 times you can expand. Again here 14 is 7 into 14, then x square is x into x. So by cancellation, 7 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, x gets cancelled. So the remaining terms simply 5x square. So this is how to do the division of the monomial by another monomial. Okay, children. Let us take one more example for better understanding. So here we have 4x cube y cube z cube divided by 12x y z. Okay, children. Now first of all, write it as in the form of fraction 4x cube y cube z cube divided by 12x y z. Now again here also we can write 4 itself, otherwise you can write 2 into 2 also. So here, why? Because 12 anyhow having the 4 as a factor, or otherwise 4 and 12 highest common factor is 4, so no need to factor this 4. So now x cube can be written as x into x into x, y cube can be written as y into y, and then z is also same process, z into z into z. Now on denominator we have, simply you can write it as 4 into 3, then x y z as x into y into z. Now cancel out, 4 1 x x cancel, 1 y cancel, 1 z cancel. So remaining are x square, numerator x square, y square and z square, divided by denominator we have 3. So on simplification we can write 1 by 3 times of x square, y square, z square. So this is a method of division of one monomial by another monomial. Now in the second type, division of an expression by a monomial. That means on numerator we may have more than 2 terms, on denominator only 1 term. So division of an expression by a monomial. So we can write it as, now here see this one, consider one sum here. We have here 6x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 8x square divided by 12x square. So again here on numerator we have actually 3 terms, 6x power 4, 10x cube plus 8x square divided by, on denominator we have 1 term. So now here we just separately divide each term of numerator by the denominator term, that is separately we can divide it. 6x power 4 by 12x square plus 10x cube by 12x square plus 8x square by 12x square. Okay, so be careful, whenever you have the only single term on the denominator you can separate like this. Okay, now here 6, keep it as it is, x power 4 nothing but x into x, and 12 can be written as 2 into 6 or 6 into 2, because 6 is the common here. So x square nothing but x into x plus this 10 can be written as 2 into 5, x cube is x into x divided by again 12, 2 into 6, and x square is x into x. Okay children, then again that 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Why? Because 4 is the highest common factor of 8 and 12. So that's why you can write it as 4 into 2, x square as x into x divided by, so 12 nothing but simply you can write 2 into 6. Now on cancellation, 6 cancel, x cancel, one more x cancel, here 6 cancel, x here x, and 2 cancel, and 2 2s are 2, 3s are, and 2 x's are there here again. So x gets cancelled. So remaining terms are here simply x square by 2 plus here simply 5x by 6 okay, 5x by 6 plus, and last we get simply 2 by 3. So this is a way of doing the division of an expression by a monomial. Okay children, so let us take one more sum on this. So we have here, now let us see one division here. Divide 30a square bc plus ABC B square C plus ABC square by six ABC. Okay, children. Now here write first of all numerator 30A square BC plus AB square C plus ABC square. Now see children, here that can be written as by taking the factorization. You can write it as 2 15 0, now 3 5 0, 5 1 0. That is 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. Bracket begin. That A square can be written as A into A, B into C plus A square, AB square is nothing but A into B into B into C plus ABC is nothing but AB into C into C. Now here in bracketed terms we have the actually common terms here. A is common in all, B is also common in all, and C is also common in all. So we can take outside from each term ABC. So A into B into C is taken outside. So remaining terms are A plus B plus C. So only 3 terms are remained in the bracket. Now write the denominator. Now it's simple term now. Now we have to factorize that. So on division you can write it as, so first to write the numerator once again here, 2 into 3 into 5 into A into B into C times of A plus B plus C divided by, on denominator we have 6 actually, that is you can written as 2 into 3 ABC as A into B into C. So simply 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, A cancel, B cancel, C cancel. Now simply got 5 times of A plus B plus C. Okay, this is how to do a division of an expression by a monomial. Okay children, now let us take another type, division of expression by another expression. Division of expression by another by expression also we can write. Now see this one example here. Let us consider 3A square plus 21A divided by A plus 7. Okay children, so first of all write it as in the form of fraction form, 3A square plus 21A by A plus 7. Now here factorize 3A square plus 21A first of all. So you can write it as 3 into A into A plus 21 nothing but 3 into 7 into A. On denominator A plus 7 keep as it is. Simple sum now, so no need to do separately. So here again 3A is a common factor. So that previous method also here applied here. So what are the methods? Method of common factors. So that only we are applying here. 3 is the common term in both of these terms. So 3A taken outside. So A plus 7 is the remaining factor. So here on A plus 7 is denominator. So then we can cancel out this A plus 7. Then we get the simple answer 3A. Okay children. So by this way you can learn division of the expression by another expression. Let us take one important sum here. Very important. Divide m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. Okay children, so for this we need again that factorization form, that is x square. Already we learned x square plus x into a plus b plus ab type of factorization. Okay children, do you remember this method? So factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. That is, x is, if it is the given expression is in the form of x square plus x plus ab, x times of x square plus x into a plus b plus ab form, we can factorize it as x plus a into x plus b. So just apply that method here. Okay, so before going to that one, you just observe this m square minus 14m minus 32, compare these two by as usual. Here as usual method what we applied in before. So a plus b is equal to minus 14. Okay, now ab is equal to minus 32. So now here simply to take the factors of minus 32. So first of all, take the factors of 32. So what are the factors of 32? Yes, 1 into 32. So we can write it as either minus 1 into 32 or 1 into minus 32. Now other factors, 2 table, 2 16s. Here also minus 2 into 16 or 2 into minus 16. Okay children. Now again by 4 table. Actually for 32 we have 4 into 8. Otherwise 4 into minus 8 or minus 4 into 8 or 4 into minus 8. And then by 8 table. So reverse it, then 8 into minus 4 like this, or otherwise you can write 18 minus 8 into 4 or 8 into minus 4, like that. You reverse these factors, you will get that same thing. Now we have to observe at where we have to get the minus 14. So that means for which pair on addition or subtraction as we get minus 14. So just orally you can check here. We need to get a plus b is equal to minus 14. Okay, so observe here minus 32 plus 1 minus 31 or 32 minus 1 plus 1. So these are not suitable factors. So here minus 2 plus 16 or 16 minus 2 14. 2 minus 16 minus 14. Yes, this one is the what suitable factors. So one thing you just observe here, 2 minus 16 minus 14. So let us check out it. 2 plus 2 minus 16, nothing but minus 14. And again immediately just multiply that. 2 into minus 16 minus 32. Just for verification only. That is, immediately you have to check out minus 32 whenever you get these minus signs. Okay, be careful whenever you get the minus signs. At that time you have to take this verification compulsory. Okay, so actually here that m square minus 14m can be factorized as by using this splitting of middle term. So we can write it as, see this, once again I am writing the given expression, m square minus 14m minus 32. So here m square minus 14, that minus 14 just separate it for understanding purpose, and here also plus or minus 32, which is clearly in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, that's why we are taking here plus into minus, here also plus into minus. So now m square plus that minus 14 can be written as what, 2 minus 16 or minus 16 plus 2, whatever it is. Here again that minus 32 can be written as 2 into minus 16. Okay children, now m square multiply that m to this minus 2 minus 16, 2m minus 16m plus 2 into minus 16. Now grouping. So m square here for our understanding purpose write it as m into m. Now factorize this, m is common both of this, so taken outside. Okay, here we are grouping the terms, and next here minus 16 taken outside, so we will get here m. Okay children, here minus 16 is fully taken outside, we will get simply m plus 2. We just observe one thing here. So first factor is m plus 2, then definitely next factor is also m plus 2. Okay, whatever you get the first factor, that only will get the second term factor. So now here again m plus 2 is the overall factor, take it outside, m plus 2 times of simply m minus 16. Okay, now actual division is what, actually m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. Now that numerator can be written as m plus 2 into m minus 16 divided by m plus 2. M plus 2 gets cancelled. We get m minus 16. Okay, children. This is how we have to divide the one expression by another expression, or an expression by another expression. Okay, division of expression by expression. So that's all for today. Then we will discuss remaining sums in the next video. Thank you.